In fact, they have to walk past not one, not two, but 3 vehicles parked within the curtilage of this house by the time they get back to their police cruisers. There was a U.S. Supreme Court case in 2018, Collins versus Virginia, that held that police cannot enter the curtilage of a home to search a vehicle that's parked within the curtilage of that home, for example, driveway, without a warrant, even if they have probable cause to search that vehicle without a warrant if it were on a public road. Once it's in the driveway, once it's within the curtilage, they can't enter within to search. Even with probable cause, they have to have a warrant. And as you'll see from watching the last video on this same officer, he'll search your vehicle even without probable cause.
If you guys think that I'm in the game of violating people's rights, you'd be wrong.
They never tell him what he's charged with. As I showed you, they told dispatch it was public intox and disorderly conduct, both of which require a public place, not private property. So officially, he's later booked with obstruction. He spends 14 hours in the regional jail. He's pissed off afterwards. This is a law-abiding citizen, a coal miner, a respected member of the community, and apparently much more respected than Deputy Mail. Because after the charges were dismissed in the interest of justice, probably for all the reasons I've just explained, according to what these folks tell me, they went to the county leadership and said, you better fire this guy or we're going to sue you. Subsequently, Deputy Mail resigned. A day later, he's hired. Just like all domestic violence allegations, more often than not, the victim or the alleged victim in the case begs the prosecutors to drop the charges because they reconcile. That happens a lot with police officers. So they get fired or suspended during the pendency of the criminal charges. People forget about it. A little bit of time goes by. Then the prosecutors, who are generally big buddies with the cops, end up giving a deferral or dismiss the charges. That gives us power to hold the government accountable because they won't do it themselves. Our rights don't end where your fear begins. Freedom is scary. Deal with it.